Hello everyone, how's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. On this video, I wanted to share with you how you can actually create a funnel and how you can use Optin Dojo because that's one of the tracking software that I use, and specifically for solo ads, right? People who actually start and want to use solo ads, they're actually just sending people directly to a company's product or services, right? And that's the wrong way to do things. And you want to create your own thing so that way you can follow up with your leads, and that way you can always build up your own email list, right? So in this video I'll share with you a lot of information, so make sure you pay close attention, and also you want to watch all the way till the end, because at the end I'll give you something awesome for you to take and watch, right? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I create videos about how you can make money using affiliate marketing, right? And if you are new, this is the first video I want you to see, how to make 6 figures in 120 days or less, right? So with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So the funnel builder that I actually use, and this is one of the companies that I actually promote, is called the Home Business Academy. So very quickly I'll share with you what the Home Business Academy is. This is a company that actually designs teaches you how you can actually design your own funnel and how you can actually get people into your funnel, right? And before starting this, I actually didn't know how to create my own funnel, but after going through all this training, I can actually design my own funnel now, and I can actually promote any offers out there, right? And I'm building my own email list. And the way I actually do that is using solo ads, right? If you're using solo ads, you need to be tracking everything. And the best tracking tool out there to be tracking everything A to Z is by using Optin Dojo, right? And that's what I'll be sharing with you, right? So this is a example funnel, and I created this using all the tools inside in here, the Home Business Academy. There might be different tools out there, like ClickFunnels, but I think ClickFunnels, they charge a lot of money. They charge, I think, close to about $90 to $120, right? But the Home Business charges only $25, and with that I can also be earning recurring income, which I really love. So if you're actually using ClickFunnels, I highly recommend you check the Home Business Academy, and I'll leave the link in the description section below, right? So that out of the way. So how I actually set up using Optin Dojo, right? So if you haven't got Optin Dojo yet, I'll leave a link there, so you can click it, and you can sign up for, I think, just the beginner pack. That's what I'm actually doing now, right? So that's the first thing. The first thing I'll do is I'll go to the funnel tab and I'll add a funnel, because that's the very first thing that you want to do, is to add a funnel, right? So I'll just name it test funnel, right? And you're going to go to your opt-in, and in here I'll say this is the opt-in page, and this is the funnel link that in. Okay, so this is the funnel link. Okay, so I'll put this here, the funnel link, right? It's just invalid. Let me open this on another tab so I can get the whole URL. Okay, so I can put this here. Okay, so that's complete. And after people actually enter the opt-in, they're going to go to a bridge page. Okay, so this, I'll name it bridge. And bridge page is really important because you want to the prospects to actually get to know you before they actually buy anything. So you need to build a trust with them. So this is my bridge page that I actually created, right? And this like works really awesome for solo ads, right? So let me go back to Optin Dojo. So I'll put the bridge page there, and then after that I'll be sending people to the offers, right? So this is the offer, and the company that I actually promote. I'll just get the URL. quickly, right? So this is what one of the things that I actually promote is the Home Business Academy, right? So I'll put the Home Business Academy inside Optin Dojo. Let me just quickly find it. Where is it? Here. Okay. So I'll put that there. Okay, so now that is complete. So I'll go down and I'll save that, right? So that's actually saved. And then after that, what I want to do is I need to put this code in here, right? So this HTML script, I'll copy this script here and I'll go back to Optin Dojo. Sorry, my funnel. Okay, so this code I will actually put in here. I'll go to funnel settings and I'll go to custom code and I'll go to the body, right? Body markup, and I'll paste this code here. Okay, and I'll save it, right? Another thing I'll do is I'll copy this here and I'll put this in here. Okay, external link. I'll put this here and I'll open this on new tab. Okay, and I'll select, right? In here you should be able to have a the auto responder setup. So I'll click on iWeber because I got the iWeber setup as well. So the list I have already created in my iWeber. So this is the list it will actually go to, right? Incoming traffic, right? So as soon as someone enters, the system will start sending them emails, right? So that's what I want. And everything aside from that is all set up. So I'll click out of it and I will save this here. Okay, I'll save that there. And after that, what I want to do is I'll cancel out of it. So we'll go to the bridge page now. Okay, so we'll click on bridge and I'll click on this. And you want to put that code on here. You want to put that code in here. So I'll click this and that code will actually go here. Okay, and I'll copy that. I'll paste that code here, new tab, right? So when someone clicks that, it will actually go to that the offer directly from there, right? So that's already set up. Now for the email setup, if I click on iWeber in here, I've already got that all set up. So I'll get the pixels for this, and every email that I send, the autoresponder, I'll put this code inside that email, right? Let me just quickly share that, see if I can share that. I'll go to iWeber. I'll go to iWeber and I'll quickly share what I mean by that. Okay, so once I'm into iWeber, I'll go to automations, and this is one of it, right? I'll click on that. This is all my autoresponder emails, right? So I'll click on these ones. I'll click on this, and once I click on this, now I'll go to Optin Dojo just to get the code and everything, right? So depends how many autoresponder emails you want to do. Like for example, this section is for automation sequence, and this is for broadcast, right? So for automations, I have I think 5 or 6 automation emails. So if you have 10, you can put 10 here, right? And get the pixels, and you need to copy these pixels. And that pixels will actually, if you click on here on iWeber, it actually shows in here. So I'll click on this, I'll open this, and the pixel will actually go here, right? But for any of the links, right, so you need to do that for 10 of the autoresponders. And for the links, I'll copy this and I'll put this, for example, this one's already set up. For the links, I will put any of the links in where they need to click, right? For example, let me show you an example. And every time you send an email, make sure it's all done through Optin Dojo, because with that you can actually track how many people have clicked on that link. Like for example here, that link will actually go in here, right? Like this is Optin Dojo link. Okay, so you get an idea now. So that's how I actually set up everything. So let's quick test like what we have actually done. So I'll go back to, let's just check this one, like how it actually works. So I'll put my name here and I'll put my email. Yes, I want access, and this will actually go to the bridge page, right? Because we've put a code, and that code, if I click on one access, this will actually take you to the offer now, right? And if I go to Optin Dojo, if I save this funnel, if I refresh it, okay, so now to give that funnel, let's go to tracking, right? You need to put whichever vendor you're actually using, and then you need to go to tracking and add that vendor here, right? So for example, if you, whichever thing you actually have as an offer, and then you need to use the supplier that you're actually using, right? A vendor for solo ads, and then you're gonna save it, right? So every time that you have a vendor, you're going to click on that, and this is the code that you'll actually send to the solo ad vendor, right? So let's quickly check, like for example, if I, so this will actually go to the opt-in page, and in here you can actually see like the opt-in rates. You can actually track everything very well, which I haven't seen any tracking software do in this detail, right? So in here you can see how many clicks you have got, how many people have actually opted in, and this is how many people have opened up your email, how many clicked on it, how many opened, and actually how many sales have you actually got from this, right? So which is super important, because if you are using a solo ad vendor, if you're not tracking all this data, it's going to be very hard for you to get results, and you're gonna be wasting a lot of money, right? And solo ads is a very easy way for you to get traffic, but if you're not tracking what I actually mentioned, you're gonna be losing a lot of money over time, and you're gonna be frustrated because you're not seeing the bigger picture. And this is how you see the bigger picture, like how much have you actually spent. Like any of the solo ad vendor that I actually use, I always track, right? I always track how much clicks have I got, and if I have actually made up any sale or not, right? So even if I get like 100 clicks, I want to see like some sort of movements, maybe 2, 3, even a week later, I get a sale, then that way I can increase that solo ad, right? So from 100 clicks, I'll get 200 clicks the other week, 300 clicks. That's how I'll actually grow my list. And you need to be always growing your list. If you're not growing your list, you not have a successful online business, right? So again, let me know if you have any more questions, and leave in the comment section below. I'll leave this awesome software Optin Dojo in the description, so click it, and hopefully get some value out of this. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.